The Latin American Institute of Science, Technology, and Public Policy of Argentina is guiding the development and construction of the Maharishi Vastu neighborhood. Utilizing the ancient architectural techniques of Sthapatya Veda, we are creating a community in balance with natural law, taking into account the lifestyle, culture, and environmental responsibility of its inhabitants, thereby enlivening harmony with natural law in order to generate coherence and well-being in the environment. Located in the province of Buenos Aires, the Florencio Varela municipality, at just 50 minutes from the federal capital and 25 minutes from the city of La Plata, will allow its inhabitants to be in contact with nature without leaving the main urban centers. It has quick access from the nation's capital through the Buenos Aires-La Plata highway, which takes us to the Gutierrez Rotunda. The secondary connection that unites the Gutierrez Rotunda with the neighborhood is through the main avenues of the Florencio Varela municipality, all paved. Another way to access it from other nearby municipalities such as President Perón and Almirante Brown is through Route 210, that through paved roads allows the arrival to our Maharishi Vastu neighborhood quickly and securely, linking it to other gated communities that are in the area. The land. The land for the establishment of the neighborhood has been chosen carefully according to the scientific research on orientation, positioning, and direction in space of Maharishi Sthapatya Veda and natural law. The plot has an area of 12 hectares. Brahmastan. The neighborhood will have a Brahmastan of 7,900 square meters, located in the center of the land, where the Maharishi Tower of Invincibility will be placed next to the two schools. The Tower of Invincibility will have 1,900 square meters distributed over 12 floors. The Brahmastan area is completed by the two Maharishi schools occupying 1,600 square meters, each distributed over 2 floors. These study centers will house 400 students from around the world. The neighborhood. The neighborhood layout was made according to the north and east orientation, which makes the various lots suitable for the lives and activities that will develop within them, encouraging the personal and collective success of its inhabitants. With a careful reforestation plan, the neighborhood has 24,000 square meters for public recreation, 95 plots for private houses that comprise an area of 57,000 square meters, and 2,400 meters of roads. All construction shall be provided with common services for daily life: electricity, telephony, and water and sewer service. Sthapatya Veda. The Maharishi Tower of Invincibility and School will be a vital center of knowledge, a total knowledge center. It will consist of exhibition halls, consultation rooms, offices, and conference room, along with all support services for these activities. It marks a decisive turning point of change in the history of education, since the schools will be employing the consciousness-based education system, leading to the irreversible transformation from an age of ignorance and suffering to an age of peace, prosperity, and happiness, the age of enlightenment, through the full development of the human potential of the students. The two large school buildings flanking the tower will have a computer room, exercise room, and gallery for exhibitions. They will host an educational center where all aspects of Vedic knowledge will be available for study and application, including education, health, agriculture, commerce, defense, science and technology, communication, and other activities, all aimed at improving our environment. The homes. The types of homes were envisioned to be in harmony with the laws of nature, based on Maharishi Sthapatya Veda, and taking into account the basic needs of daily life in order to get the most benefits from the coherence of the surrounding environment from which it feeds and affects, auspiciously creating a virtuous circle that makes the world a better place. Vedic architecture offers precise knowledge and formulas proven over time to determine the correct orientation, distribution, and proportion of the spaces in any type of building. Scientific research has verified that our brain is highly sensitive to orientation, position, and direction in space. This is why Maharishi Vastu neighborhood has designed 3 housing types applying the principles of Maharishi Sthapatya Veda. Sthapatya Hakaranda. The Sthapatya Hakaranda type is distributed over 90 square meters. The houses are surrounded by green spaces, allowing for a communion with nature. Sthapatya Cereso. The Sthapatya Cereso type has an area of 110 square meters. Benefits from the design and orientation of Vedic architecture, covering all the requirements for the family, with ample common use areas. The incorporation of natural light in the house helps improve the quality of life of its occupants, allowing greater unity with nature. Sthapatya Nogal, a 140 square meters home where the functions are distributed in accordance with Sthapatya Veda. The distinctiveness of this type in relation to the others is its larger interior, providing flexibility and comfort in the rooms according to the needs of its occupants. The purpose of the Maharishi Vastu neighborhood is to provide homes for a happier, healthier, more productive life, a life in harmony with natural law.